What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. Today's gonna be a little bit of a different kind of video, but that's because I got a couple things I gotta do because your boy's birthday is coming up and I'm gonna be going on a cruise actually tomorrow. So whenever you guys see this video, I don't know what day it will be, but I'll probably be on the cruise. So I'm trying to get a couple videos out for you guys before I do that. And right now I actually gotta go get a haircut because as you guys can see, your boy's looking kind of rough and I cannot be looking ugly for my birthday. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my girl for this new watch, man. I've been wanting this watch for such a long time, and now that I got it, I appreciate her. I love her. Yeah. So right now, actually, I got an appointment at the barber shop for 11:40. It's 11:20. I'm already late. You guys already know your boy Sticks is always late, but we're still gonna make it work. I also gotta go to B&H store because I might be getting a new lens, man. I'm upgrading, trying to make the videos the highest quality possible for you guys. And so that's what we're gonna do. But right now, let's head to the barber shop. I'm not gonna be in my car though, so it's all good though. But I just want to take you guys along with the little things I gotta do today. So stay tuned. Let's get it and let's get into it. Man, the Sticks Mobile. I'm in my work car right now, my daily. They're both my dailies, but I honestly use this car more than my actual car because I work, bro. I be having to work, but I'll talk to you later, man. I'll see you later. 440,000. We'll be back. The reason I want to get a new lens, y'all, is because as you guys can see, like right now I have it all the way zoomed out and it's still super zoomed in. And I've been wanting a new lens for a while now, and so I want a lens that, you know, I can see the whole car even from this close, because you guys can see like everything looks super close. I need more of a wide angle lens, and so that's what I'm gonna be trying to get today. I'm gonna go to the B&H store and see what they got for me. Hopefully they're not too expensive. But listen, y'all, I make no money from YouTube, you feel me? So like honestly, I be saving and like trying to save everything I can to just increase the production and the quality of the videos and stuff like that. So right now, if I can get a lens, that would be great. And then after that, I want to upgrade my mic so you guys can hear me better. And bro, slowly we're gonna make this work, bro. We're gonna grind, we're gonna go crazy. And this lens, if I get the lens today, is also gonna be shout out to my beautiful girlfriend because she's getting it for my birthday as well. She's going crazy, bro, and you know, we need to go crazy for hers when it comes, because she's going crazy, bro, to be honest. Like it's insane. But yeah, man, hopefully I make it there on time. I'm gonna be late right now. And also, if you're wondering what my watch is, I don't know if you care, but it is a Paul Rich. It does look like a Rolex. It's not a Rolex, y'all, but hey, it's nice though, right? What y'all think? Let me know down below. But I really wanted this watch. I needed like, yeah, it's over. I'm wearing this everywhere now. But man, I got so much I gotta do today, because today I gotta pack. I don't know if I'm gonna even make it to the gym. Right now, first things first, I need to get this haircut. Second thing, I need to go to I gotta drop something off at the post office. Then I gotta head to B&H store. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. And then after that, I gotta go back to work, finish my work, and then come. Oh my god, so much to do in today because we leave tomorrow. And so I don't know how I'm gonna be able to make it, but hey, we're gonna make it work. So probably just vlog the whole day, guys. It's a little bit different, like I said, but maybe at some point I get into my car and do a little POV for you guys as well, and then go from there. So make sure you guys are staying tuned. Appreciate every single one of you guys who be commenting in the videos. Keep liking them, keep going crazy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, say what's up, hit me up, man. I try to respond to everybody because I just want to be cool with everybody. So you know what I'm saying. I'll see you guys at the barber shop though. Let's see what's up. The barber shop is looking empty too, so it's perfect. This is my shirt right here, man. I own this shit. Look at my barber, look at my barber, look at my barber. That nigga smiling this shit. ¿Qué lo que, loco? Tranquilo. We're here, man. We outside with it. This is what I look like so far, man. This is before the haircut. I'm giving you guys a little look, man. You're about to finesse me, hopefully.
1 hour later.
What y'all think, man? What do you think of the look? I just left the barber shop. I'm actually retaking this video right now because the music in there was dumb loud. But hey, this is what I look like. He kind of finessed it, bro. I feel fresh, man. I feel brand new. I'll probably go and try to get the lens later today because I don't have time right now. I got other things I gotta do. And it was super sunny. And look at what's going on over there, man. The police outside with it. I don't know what they doing, but they doing something. No cap. They all looked over here. But yeah, let's go do what I gotta do. Talk to you in a few. And let's keep it rolling, man. Look at all the Donald Trump buildings, man. He drenched in money, bro. Look at all these buildings, bro. I'm sure y'all seen them before, but these buildings is crazy, bro. They're all like the same, bro. They're like twins. I'm in the city finally, bro. Just gonna go pick up something. Then I gotta go to work. Then I gotta go back home and then continue the day, bro. Guys, I know I said I wasn't gonna be in my car today, but I ended up going home and picking it up. And now I'm back in the city, bro. Look at this building. Right now I'm actually on my way to the B&H store, which actually closes at 7. It's 6:17 right now. So hopefully it gives us enough time to kind of just walk around, see what they got and stuff like that. Probably, you know, we're gonna walk in there and just pretty much talk to them and see what's up, what they got for the kid, man. But I'm trying to hurry up though, because I know parking around there is freaking difficult. But hey, I'm gonna see ya inside though. Yo, y'all see it? That's where we going right now. Look at the cameras they got here, bro. They got some production shits. Damn, that shit crazy. Look, 3,000 for that. I think this is what I need, y'all. I need one of those, right? Do you think we'll get more views if we get one of them crazy ass cameras? Nah. Like, what the heck is that, bro? That thing look crazy. Look, I can see myself. Hey, what's up? It sticks. Nah, I need to hurry up though, cause my car is not in a good spot. They got like the mics. They got mad stuff here, bro. All right, I'm lost. Hi, I'm trying to. Where's like the lenses for like Sony's?
Upstairs, second floor.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm trying to make it, bro. I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. It's mad. Look, this is all the lighting is at. I'm gonna go upstairs though, cause apparently that's where the goodies is at. So we got Sony right here. There's Canon, bro. There's so much stuff here, bro. Mad cameras. You got tripods. They got everything you can ever need, bro. So I'm gonna show you right now the one I got. That's the one I got right there. And I'm looking for a glance. Oh, I think this is the one I got right here. Oh no, that's the 6100. Got the 64, which I think is this one here. That's how much it is, yeah. If y'all wanna get it. What the heck is this? That shit look crazy, but it look fire. I'm gonna lie. Is it on though?
They're very nice. They're very, very nice.
Damn, that shit heavy. How do you turn this? How do you even turn this on, bro? Is it on right now?
The only difference is
Actually, that shit's dead.
It has a zoom, so you'll be able to turn it.
This one. Yeah.
Or you can use that little power thing on the side. So it'll go from 10 to 20. That's the widest range you can get.
I think this is pretty wide. Yeah. What does this come out? What is it?
7-inch chain. Oh, after jacks?
Yeah.
814.
What did he say?
814.
Yo guys, so I just ended up leaving the store. I couldn't find the lens that I was looking for, and the one that they had wasn't what I was looking for, and it came out to like, and that one was like $800 something, and it wasn't what I really wanted. So I'm just gonna keep on looking, probably look at it for it online. But in the meantime, since I'm already driving back home, I figure why not do a little drive back. I don't have my GoPro, so I can't do like a POV kind of thing where I just mount you guys, but this is the best we can do right now, because this is all we got. Your boy again has no gas, but that's okay, because that's just us, and that's how you guys like us, man, with no gas. It just always runs out, bro. I swear, I be having gas, it just runs out. But I just do a little drive, might as well, and then call it a day, man. Today was super crazy, bro. We did mass shit. Like, I done so much today, bro, and we still, like, I still gotta pack and do a whole bunch of other little things, but at least everything else that I gotta do is in the crib. I don't gotta be outside, and yeah, so we chilling like a villain. I don't have no gas to be putting in a sport, but oh well, let's do it anyway. Let's put it in sport plus, actually. Damn, this is so much harder like this. She's calling me. She can wait. My girl is calling me. She can wait. Hold on, I'm trying to. There you go. We out. Gotta be careful, because usually cops be wanting to hide over here. I have no gas, but it says 19 miles. By the time I get home, it's gonna be 0. Yes, sir. Yeah, this camera is so zoomed in though, like, it's crazy. I literally have it all the way zoomed out, but it's just still, because this lens is not for, you know, this kind of shenanigans. You hear that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me put my back window so you can hear it better. I don't know why I'm wasting gas like I got any. Hold up, there's nobody. Oh, this is hard, like recording and driving. What's this guy doing? Focus it over there, though. Well, honestly, guys, I think that's gonna be it. We're like a minute away from my crib, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys. Like the video, comment below what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.